So we are now seeing some very important data for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and other cryptos. And I think this is exactly what every Doge and crypto holder should know. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! So we know that the overall crypto market has remained on the downside for the last couple of months. But this extended price correction was considered healthy for cryptos. And overall, the market outlook hasn't looked too bad. This is because, despite the periodic dips, the crypto market grew significantly in 2021, collecting billions of dollars as the popularity of various cryptos skyrocketed. On a year-to-date basis, the cumulative crypto market cap has increased by 175% from $776 billion on January 1st to $2.3 trillion on December 22. And at the heart of the boom is rising demand for cryptos like Dogecoin by retail and institutional investors, which has aided in the mainstreaming of the overall market. And now, as we are nearing the end of 2021, we are seeing that the market is on its way of a solid recovery from recent losses. As of now, the total crypto market cap has increased to $2.3 trillion with major crypto trading in the green during the last 48 hours. And Bitcoin is currently leading the market as it has been able to achieve a slight surge. And it is now highly likely that Bitcoin will go as high as 55K by the end of December. This is because we are now seeing some important on-chain data for it that is indicating that Bitcoin has created a bullish divergence. For example, Bitcoin is now entering the accumulation phase following one of the most severe capitulations in its history. According to the volume of a liquid supply on the chain, Bitcoin has exited the capitulation condition, and wallets are now sending funds to entities that prefer being inactive rather than constantly making numerous transactions during the day. Moreover, the volume of the illiquid supply has exceeded 100,000 BTC every month, indicating that traders are transferring more than or close to 100,000 Bitcoins via inactive wallets with little to no transaction histories. And this indicator correlates with the price movement of Bitcoin. So as this indicator is highlighting an entry into the accumulation zone for Bitcoin, it is now highly likely that its price will move up from here. And another good thing that is happening for Bitcoin is that its first green bar has appeared on the price chart. And now all Bitcoin needs is to make sure that this potential reversal doesn't confirm. And if the next bar does not confirm the reversal, then Bitcoin will continue the breakout of the descending triangle. And as per crypto analyst Michael van de Poppe, the first breakthrough has happened for Bitcoin's price. And this is a bullish indicator for it, but he believes that Bitcoin still needs to break enough levels to initiate a bullish movement. So the point is that if Bitcoin manages to break through around the 51K range, it will surely go upwards, and this will initiate a massive leg up for it in 2022. Moreover, Michael van de Poppe believes that altcoins are surging due to Bitcoin's recent recovery. He believes that December still has a lot left for the altcoin market, and this means that we are going to see more price surge for it. And while a majority of altcoins are following Bitcoin's price trajectory, Dogecoin is more likely to follow it in the long term. This is because the price correlation between the two is pretty high right now. It is currently standing around 0.94, which is far more than any other crypto. So the thing to note here is that Bitcoin is now looking to end the year on a good note, and Dogecoin is going to follow suit. And now let's take a look at some other altcoins, which I think are going to rally up dramatically. So Cardano's price is currently seeing bullish signs as the overall crypto market sentiment has turned positive. In the last 24 hours, Cardano has been up by about 5% to $1.3. And seeing this, I expect buying activity to persist throughout the coming trading session with a near-term target at $1.4. And since we are now heading towards the Santa rally for the overall market, I think that Cardano can go as high as $1.6 by Christmas. And if this rally continues, there is a good chance it will extend to new highs into the new year. And another altcoin that is now looking solid is Avalanche. So Avalanche has been up 30% over the week and is now trading around $120. And with this price surge, it has now bolstered its case for a potential run above $160 in the coming trading sessions. In fact, its price pattern over the last 30 days has been similar, with a nearly 100% flagpole rally to almost $150. Although it witnessed a 50% flag correction recently, last week's breakthrough move resumed its advance to $120. So now it is edging closer to its bullish continuation target of $160. And I think Avalanche is one of those altcoins that will continue to surge massively in 2022. So investors should keep a close eye on it. And now let's come to Shiba Inu, since things are now turning pretty nicely for it. So SHIB has seemingly managed to halt the downtrend from the past couple of months and surged by more than 10% in the last 24 hours. And as it has touched the $0.000035 support level, I think that it has now a real chance to rally higher in the near future. However, the biggest challenge for Shiba Inu right now is if it can move past the key resistance at $0.000038. And I think that there is a strong likelihood that it will clear this resistance level. This is because we are now seeing that more and more whales are now showing interest in SHIB and accumulating it in big numbers. For example, WhaleStats has just revealed that one major whale has added a whopping 4 trillion Shiba Inu tokens to its wallet in the past 24 hours. Moreover, WhaleStats has further revealed that whale-tier traders and investors have purchased approximately $200 million worth of SHIB tokens during the last week, and total SHIB holdings now exceed $1.8 billion, falling around $300 million short of the previous all-time high. So the point is that Shiba Inu whales are on the move now, and it appears that they see the current market conditions as appropriate for adding more and more SHIB to their positions. And with the spike in buying power and overall sentiment recovery on the entire crypto market, it is highly likely that Shiba Inu will continue its growth in the coming days. And now let's come to some important crypto updates where we are seeing rising crypto adoption, which is very important for coins like Doge and Bitcoin. So Avalanche, a European-based technology company, is planning to extend its services by offering crypto ATM and debit cards throughout the world. The Avalanche Bankless ATM will utilize open-source software that will directly interact with decentralized exchanges around the globe, such as PancakeSwap. And this approach will make crypto ATM more decentralized in their nature, which is a good thing. So the point is that crypto ATM offer people the convenience of either physically cashing out their crypto or, in some cases, buying some right off the street. And their spread represents the growing interest in and acceptance of cryptos. And as per another update, SurgePays, a fintech company, has just completed the initial development on the newest version of its software platform. And this program will enable a retail store owner to sell certain cryptos to customers, with or without a bank account or credit card. The good thing is that this program will be available at local convenience and neighborhood stores, which are part of the company's 8,000-plus retail store network. So this means that buying cryptos will now become easier for investors while also benefiting the retail store owners. And this is yet another initiative that I think is going to boost the rate of crypto adoption. And talking about rising crypto adoption, we are now seeing that crypto adoption in Turkey is on the rise. Just recently, the overall crypto trading volumes in Turkey have skyrocketed to more than 1 million trades per day. And it is believed that rapid inflation and a roughly 40% devaluation of the national currency since September have prompted citizens to flock to cryptos in order to save their depleting savings. And as per CoinMarketCap, Turkey is now accounting for more than 16% of global crypto users, ranking 4th in terms of total users. So the point is that people all around the world are now realizing that cryptos like Doge and Bitcoin have been acting as a solid inflation hedge. And since inflation all around the world is rising, we will see more and more people coming into the crypto market, eventually enhancing the growth of crypto values and their adoption. And now let's come to Dogecoin's price analysis. So Doge is holding its support floor around the 17 cents range. And since it has managed to do so for some days now, it is highly likely that Doge will not see another drop from here. Moreover, Doge is now looking to clear the resistance at 19 cents. And since its RSI is now at the neutral level, it is likely that Doge can clear this resistance in the coming trading sessions. And since we have just seen some major catalysts for Doge and the overall crypto market, I think we are going to see Doge ending this year on a good note.